So welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Marvel Rivals Season 9 game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PC. So let's find the solutions. So the very first method is to check the server status of the game. So you should check if there is any downtime going on. You can easily check it through the official website on X, or you can easily go to Down Detector website, and there you have to check if there is any downtime going on. If yes, then you have to wait for some time, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to modify launch option on Steam. So you have to go to the library section, select your game under library section, and after that here you have to select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows Security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, here you have to select the game, and after selecting the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to verify integrity of game file. So for that, you have to go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. You must wait for some time, and after the game files are verified, launch the game and check whether it's working now. Next solution is to run the game as administrator. So for that, you have to select your game under library section. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the game, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. But if the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to install Visual C++ file. So for that, I have already given the link in the description and just have to copy and paste it in a browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. So click on repair, click on yes. Now wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, now close this. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if it's working. Next is to update Windows. Make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for settings. Here you have to click on Windows Update and then click on check for update. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version, and after that you have to launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, now launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. So for that, you have to select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from PC. After that, you have to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. And once your PC restarts, launch Steam, log into it, and again reinstall Marvel Rivals Season 9, and then try to launch the game or play it and check if it's working now. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Marvel Rivals Season 9 game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.